Welcome to the very first episode of Secrets of the Universe. This series is your gateway to unlocking the greatest mysteries of space, time, and everything in between. Today, we dive into a question that has fascinated philosophers, scientists, and storytellers for generations. Is time travel really possible? We will go deep to understand facts and myths about time travel with the lens of modern science. And we'll correlate these science concepts with ancient Indian wisdom. If you're excited to explore these mysteries with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Let's begin by understanding time itself. Time is not just something we track on clocks or calendars. According to Albert Einstein, time is a fourth dimension that works hand in hand with space to form what we now call space-time. Think of the universe not as a three-dimensional stage where everything happens, but a four-dimensional fabric where time is woven into the very structure of existence. This idea is part of Einstein's theory of relativity, which showed that time isn't constant. It can bend, stretch, and even slow down depending on speed and gravity. Let's explore this more. An astronaut traveling near the speed of light would experience time differently compared to someone on Earth. This is called time dilation. If two twins were separated and one took off into space at light speed while the other stayed on Earth, the traveling twin would age more slowly. This has been proven with atomic clocks flown in space. They ticked ever so slightly slower than the ones left behind. Yes, you heard that right. Time travel to the future is scientifically possible. Every time you move faster or are in a stronger gravitational field, your clock ticks differently. The International Space Station crew experiences this on a micro level. Black holes, with their immense gravitational pull, bend space-time to such an extent that time slows dramatically near them. If you spent time orbiting a black hole and came back to Earth, you could find yourself years, decades, or even centuries into the future. This is the foundation for future time travel missions in science fiction, but it has a scientific base rooted in general relativity. While going to the future is possible through the laws of physics, going to the past is still up for debate. One possibility? Wormholes. These are theoretical shortcuts through space-time. Imagine space-time as a sheet of paper. If you fold it and poke a hole through, you've connected 2 points instantly. That's the idea behind a wormhole, but it's risky. There are problems like paradoxes. If you go back and change something, would it affect your current reality? The grandfather paradox is a classic example. What if you went back and accidentally prevented your grandfather from meeting your grandmother? Would you even exist? Quantum physics and string theory are exploring ideas where multiple timelines might exist. So, changes in one don't affect others. But all of this remains theoretical. Let's bridge this with our ancient wisdom. Indian education and spirituality have long held fascinating views on time. In Hindu cosmology, Kala, time, is both infinite and cyclic. The idea of Kala Chakra, wheel of time, appears in both Hindu and Buddhist texts. According to this, time is not linear but a repeating cycle of creation, preservation, and destruction, very similar to the concept of a cyclic universe that modern physicists are now exploring. Texts like the Mahabharata and Puranas mention massive timescales. One day of Brahma, the creator god, is 4.32 billion human years long. The entire universe is said to go through cycles of billions of years, just as modern science talks about cosmic lifespans. Even more fascinating is the story of Kakbushundi. a sage who watches the cycles of the universe from a higher dimension and narrates the Ramayana multiple times. He is said to have lived through many universal cycles, a concept eerily close to multiverse and time loop theories. In many ways, ancient Indian education saw time as flexible, multidimensional, and beyond human comprehension, something that modern physics is now just starting to prove. So, is time travel possible? Traveling to the future is already a part of physics. Traveling to the past? Still under investigation, but not impossible. From Einstein's theories to the vast concepts in ancient Indian scriptures, it's clear that time is more than just a clock. It's a living, bending, mysterious force that ties the universe together. And maybe, just maybe, our ancestors knew more about it than we ever gave them credit for. If you could travel through time, where would you go? To the golden age of ancient India? To the year 3000 and meet AI beings? Or back to your childhood? Tell us in the comments below. And if this video blew your mind, like and subscribe to our channel and share this video with someone who loves science and philosophy. In our next episode, we'll go even deeper. If the Big Bang was the beginning of everything, what was there before it? Stay tuned for our next release. Till then, be curious. Thank you.